Welcome to our channel. We're so glad you could join us today. Today we're diving into the essential items you need in your kidding kit for a smooth and successful goat birth. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, having the right supplies can make all the difference. You know, just like a farmer never heads out to the field without his trusty tools, you shouldn't go into kidding season unprepared. It's all about being ready for anything that might come your way. Having a well-stocked kidding kit is crucial for handling any situation that might arise during this special time. From unexpected complications to routine care, being prepared is key. We're talking about the health and well-being of both the mama goat and her precious kids, and that's something we never take lightly around here. Each birth is a unique experience, and we want to ensure it's a positive one. So stick around as we walk you through each must-have item, explaining why it's so important and how it can make all the difference in ensuring a happy and healthy kidding experience. We'll cover everything from basic necessities to some advanced tools that can really come in handy. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the basics, towels. You might be wondering why we're focusing on something as simple as towels, but trust me, they're more important than you might think. You might think, towels? I use those every day. And you're right, but in the kidding world, they're not just for drying dishes or wiping your hands. And you're right, but in the kidding world, they're not just for drying dishes. Towels become an essential tool in the birthing process, playing multiple roles that are crucial for the health and well-being of both the mother and her newborn kids. We're talking about a good stack of clean, dry towels here, not just one or two, but a whole pile. You can never have too many when it comes to kidding season. Why? Because when a mama goat goes into labor, things can get messy. Really messy. Fluids, afterbirth, and all sorts of things you might not want to think about. You'll want towels to clean up any fluids, dry off the newborn kids, and even help stimulate them to breathe. A quick rub down with a towel can help clear their airways and get them breathing properly. Believe me, you don't want to be caught short-handed when a new life arrives, so make sure those towels are within arm's reach. Having them close by can make all the difference in those critical first moments. Remember, we're dealing with nature here, and nature doesn't always follow a strict cleaning schedule. Things can happen quickly and unexpectedly, so being prepared is key. Plus, a soft, warm towel can be just the thing a newborn kid needs to feel safe and secure in its new world. The warmth and softness can provide comfort and help them adjust to their new surroundings. It's all about comfort and care, folks. And that starts from the moment they're born. From cleaning up the birthing area to ensuring the newborns are warm and dry, towels are your first line of defense in providing the best start for your new kids. So stock up and be ready, because when the time comes, you'll be glad you did. Next up, we've got lubricant. This might seem like a simple tool, but it plays a crucial role in the birthing process on the farm. Now, before you go thinking this is some kind of farm-only secret, let me tell you, lubricant is important in all kinds of births, even human ones. It's a universal aid that helps ensure a smoother, safer delivery. In the case of our goat mamas, a good quality, sterile lubricant can help make the birthing process a whole lot smoother, literally. It reduces friction and helps the baby goat slide out more easily, minimizing stress for both the mother and the newborn. Sometimes things can get a little stuck, and a little bit of lubricant can help ease the kid out gently. This is especially important in cases where the baby goat might be in an awkward position, or if the mother is having a particularly tough time. Trust me, a little lubrication can go a long way in preventing complications and ensuring a safe delivery for both mama and kid. It can help avoid injuries and reduce the risk of infections, making the whole process much safer. And when it comes to bringing new life into the world, safe and gentle is always the best approach. The well-being of the animals is our top priority, and using lubricant is just one of the ways we can help ensure a positive outcome. Remember, we're not trying to rush things here. Patience is key. We're simply providing a little assistance to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible for the mother goat. We're just giving nature a helping hand when it needs it most. By being prepared and using the right tools, we can make a big difference in the health and safety of our animals. So, next time you see a farmer with a bottle of lubricant, you'll know just how important it is in the miracle of birth. Now, let's talk about gloves. Just like when you're working with any animal, cleanliness is key during kidding. That's where gloves come in. A good pair of disposable gloves will protect both you and the mama goat from any potential infections. Remember, giving birth is hard work and sometimes things can get a little, well, messy. Wearing gloves helps keep things sanitary and ensures that you're not introducing any unwanted bacteria into the birthing process. Plus, it's just good hygiene practice in general, wouldn't you say? So don't be shy about stocking up on gloves. You'll be grateful you have them when the time comes. Next on our list is iodine. Now, iodine is a powerful antiseptic and it plays a crucial role in preventing infections in newborn kids. Once a kid is born, you'll want to dip its umbilical cord in iodine to help it dry out and prevent bacteria from entering the body. It's a simple step, but it can make a world of difference in ensuring the health of those little ones. Just a little dab is all it takes, and trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to protecting those vulnerable newborns. After all, we want them to grow big and strong. Now, don't let the word scissors alarm you. We're not performing any major surgery here. In our kidding kit, a good, clean pair of scissors is primarily used for one thing: cutting the umbilical cord. Once the cord has stopped pulsating and you've dipped it in iodine, you'll need to snip it to a manageable length. This helps prevent the cord from getting stepped on or infected. It's a quick and easy procedure, but it's important to use sharp, sterilized scissors to ensure a clean cut and minimize any discomfort for the kid. Now let's talk about a tool that you hopefully won't need to use, but it's crucial to have on hand: the kid puller. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, births don't always go as planned. A kid might be positioned incorrectly, or mama might need a little extra help. That's where the kid puller comes in. It's important to remember that this tool should only be used in emergencies and by someone experienced in its use. Improper use can cause serious harm to both the mother and kid. If you're ever in doubt, always call your veterinarian for assistance. All right, moving on to another essential item, the bulb syringe. This little tool is a lifesaver, literally. When a kid is born, its nose and mouth might be filled with mucus, making it difficult to take that crucial first breath. That's where the bulb syringe comes in handy. By gently suctioning out the mucus, you can clear the airway and help the kid start breathing properly. It's a simple but vital step that can make all the difference in those first few moments of life. Next up, we have a tool that's essential for monitoring both mama and kids: the thermometer. You see, a goat's normal temperature can fluctuate, especially after giving birth. Having a thermometer on hand allows you to quickly and easily check for any signs of fever, which could indicate an infection. It's always better to be safe than sorry, and monitoring temperature is a simple way to stay ahead of any potential health issues. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to treating illness, and a thermometer is your first line of defense. Now let's talk about colostrum. This isn't something you'd find in your average first aid kit, but it's an absolute must-have in your kidding kit. Colostrum is the first milk a mother goat produces after giving birth, and it's chock full of antibodies and nutrients that are essential for a newborn kid's immune system. Sometimes the kid might have trouble latching on or getting enough colostrum from its mother. That's why it's important to have some frozen colostrum on hand, just in case you need to give a kid a supplemental feeding. Think of it as a super boost for their little immune systems, giving them the best possible start in life. Last but certainly not least, we have the humble notebook and pen. It might seem like a simple addition, but trust me, keeping good records is crucial in goat farming, especially during kidding season. You'll want to note down the date and time of each birth, the number of kids born, their genders, and any observations you have about their health. This information can be incredibly valuable for tracking the progress of your kids, identifying any potential problems early on, and even planning for future breeding seasons. Consider it your goat farming journal, a place to document all the joys and challenges of raising these wonderful animals. Well, there you have it, folks. Your essential kidding kit, equipped with everything you need to welcome those little goats into the world with confidence. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to kidding season, and having these items on hand can make all the difference. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on goat farming. Happy kidding season.